Now we're going to move on because a man who says he can't remember a time in his life when cancer wasn't part of the family says he's been inspired to run the London Marathon.
Yes, Louis Raymond from Marchwood in Hampshire was at infant school when his mum was diagnosed, and now his dad is undergoing treatment, making Louis determined to raise money for the people who've helped them. Andrew Pate has his story.
Running the London Marathon is personal. His father is currently undergoing chemotherapy for testicular cancer. Well, Louis was just 5 when his mum was first diagnosed. A few years later, the breast cancer returned, and they were told it was terminal.
Being in school and hearing from my mum firsthand that the cancer she has actually is incurable, and it will be something that she, takes her life. It was really, really hard, and not only for me but the family too. And that's why I think that the research is so important, because I want as much time that I can with my mum as possible, really.
Mum Heidi and Louis have been given a tour of the Cancer Research UK laboratory at Southampton General Hospital.
And then within our clinical trials, we will collect samples, and we'll send the samples back up here in the laboratory for the discovery team to really understand who benefits the most from the new treatments, or even who doesn't benefit, because if we can prove you don't benefit from the treatment, we can give alternative treatments for that particular patient.
My mum, I remember her sitting me down, telling me that maybe not be around when I'm 20, 21 years old, and being 23 now and having my mum still in the family is absolutely amazing. And I know that is because of the research being done, the new medication, the new treatment, and that is the reason why my mum is here.
You put your trust in people, and to see it today was mind-blowing. And for me, it's been the difference of seeing milestone moments like Louis finishing school, Louis finishing university, doing the marathon that, probably 20 years ago I wouldn't have had that opportunity.
At the Cancer Research UK base in Southampton, Louis bumped into an old school friend. Katie is a data manager here, who's running the Paris Marathon this weekend.
You spend a lot of time and effort putting kind of your resources and your power into running, and the same goes for research, and then eventually it all comes together as an outcome. In running, that's through doing an event. In research, that's through a paper that comes out with the findings. As you say, it's a lot of effort and work at the start, but then you always produce something which is worthwhile.
Louis says thinking of his parents will spur him on when running the London Marathon. But how will they feel when he crosses the finish line?
Tearjerker.
Yes, I reckon so, eh? Yeah, very proud, sort of emotional, yeah. I'm sure he'll be absolutely...
Just so proud, and no doubt have, I don't know, sweets at the ready or something ready to catch him. But yeah, it's going to be a lovely family moment for us all to see him run through that finish line.
The London Marathon is on April the 27th, and Louis is determined to take part, to make a difference. Andrew Pate, ITV News.